Hello, good afternoon, teacher.
Hello, good afternoon, Teacher Lisa. How are you today?
I feel happy. How about you?
I am happy.
Okay, very good. You're smiling. Yes. Oh, how many months already? กี่เดือนละ How many months?
Around 8 months แล้ว teacher.
Oh, 8 months. Okay. Oh, happy for you. Congratulations.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, so for today, we're going to talk about your Excel 1. Okay, your paper. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yes. Okay, you can read. You read your paper.
I read
Yes.
vocabulary เลยไหม teacher?
Yes.
Subject IT subject math vocabulary numbers count
Yes.
1 2 3
Yes.
5 word teacher.
Okay, so those are the words that you're going to teach in kindergarten?
Yes, I teach kindergarten.
Okay, very good. Do you have some more? มีอีกไหมคะ
What teacher?
มีคำศัพท์อีกไหม Do you have some more?
Oh, subject English
Yes, okay. Number 1.
animal นะ teacher.
Okay.
Ant
Yes.
ant bird
Yes.
cat
Okay. Cat.
dog
Okay.
elephant.
Oh, you say elephant.
Elephant
One more time. Elephant.
elephant.
Yes, okay. 10 words. Okay. มีอีกไหมคะ
No.
No. Okay, that's good. So what level, what grade is this? Kindergarten 2 or kindergarten 3?
Kindergarten 3.
Okay, very good. Okay, so I'm going to show you my paper. I have a paper. I will show you and we're going to read together. You and me, we're going to read. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I have here the question about your school. Okay, here. Population. Okay, I'm going to ask, how many students are there in your school? In Nonthai, how many students are in Nonthai school?
There are around 600 students.
Okay, there are around 600 students. Okay, very good. Okay, question number 2. Where is Nonthai school? Okay, location. Where is it located?
Nonthai.
Okay, it is located. Okay,
Nonthai.
Nonthai district. Okay, yes. Now, can you share with me? Can you tell me how many, like 4 activities of the school?
1 sports day.
Okay, sport day, sports day. Okay, number 2.
Teachers day.
Very good. Teachers Day. Number 3.
Children's day.
Okay, we have here Children's Day. Okay, the last one.
Christmas day.
Yeah, do you like Christmas Day?
Yes, I like Christmas day.
Can you sing the song? Christmas songs?
Christmas.
Okay, yes. Now, I have 5 words, okay? I will read the words and you listen. Okay, I have here 5. Number 1. The first word is tuition fee. Tuition fee.
Tuition fee.
Okay, very good. The school offers 20% discount on the tuition fee ลดค่าอะไรนะเรียกว่าอะไรค่าเทอมของนักเรียนอะมีลด20% 20%
20%.
yes okay again นะ the school offers 20% discount on the tuition fee okay can you try reading it
The school offers 20% discount on the tuition fee.
tuition fee
Tuition free.
okay you repeat the word discount
Discount.
okay I repeat number one sentence the school offers 20% discount on the tuition fee
The school offers 20% discount on the tuition fee.
okay very good offers yes okay we go to number two okay I have here the word enroll เมื่อนักเรียนมาสมัครเรียน okay we say enroll
Enroll.
okay enroll
Enroll.
okay the school is now open for enrollment many students are coming to enroll I repeat the school is now open for enrollment many students are coming to enroll you try it
Okay, sure. The school is now open the enrollment. Many students are coming to enroll.
okay very good yes you repeat this word okay teacher you try enrollment
Enrollment.
yes very good okay we go to number three announcement
Announcement.
very good one more time
Announcement.
yes okay many people were surprised by the government's announcement that all schools must be closed I repeat many people were surprised by the government's announcement that all schools must be closed. Can you try? You try. Okay.
Okay. Many people were surprised.
Good. Yes.
Again.
Again. Okay. Good.
Many people were surprised by the government. Government.
Yes.
Governments are now coming.
Announcement. Look at my mouth. Okay, look at my mouth.
Announcement.
Okay, announcement.
Announcement.
Okay.
That's all school must to close.
Okay, must be closed.
Must be closed.
Okay, I repeat. Many people were surprised by the government's announcement that all schools must be closed. Okay, very long. Yes.
Okay.
Number four. Okay. Supervisor.
Supervisor.
Very good. One more time.
Supervisor.
Very good. Okay. The district supervisor and his team came to evaluate the school. Again, evaluate.
Evaluate.
Okay, I repeat. The district supervisor and his team came to evaluate the school. You try.
Yes. The district supervisor and his team come to
Evaluate.
teacher
Evaluate.
evaluate the school.
Okay, look at my mouth. Evaluate.
Evaluate.
Okay, ตรวจสอบ evaluate.
Evaluate.
Okay, very good. Okay, I repeat. I will read again. The district supervisor and his team came to evaluate the school. Okay?
Okay, teacher. Evaluate.
Yes.
Evaluate.
Evaluate. Okay, you try.
The district supervisor and his team come to evaluate the school.
Okay, good, good.
Evaluate.
Next, number 5. Number 5. Cooperate. Cooperate.
Cooperate.
One more time.
Cooperate. Cooperate.
Okay, good. I will read. If everyone cooperates, the job will be finished immediately. I repeat. If everyone cooperates, the job will be finished immediately. Immediately.
Immediately.
Okay, you try.
Immediately. If everyone cooperates, the job will be finished immediately.
Okay.
Immediately.
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 Very.
Immediately.
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 I.
I.
Me.
Me.
Jate.
Imme.
Jate.
What teacher?
Again, huh?
Again.
Look at my finger. I.
I.
Me.
Me.
Jate.
Day.
Lee.
Li. Immediately.
Oh, very good. Again, one more time, one more time.
Immediately.
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 Okay, one word. Immediately.
Immediately.
Very good. Okay. It's okay. We practice every time. We practice again. Okay, number 1. We go back to number 1. Tuition fee.
Tuition free.
Enroll.
Allow.
Announcement.
Announcement.
เสียง announcement.
Announcement.
Yes. Supervisor.
Supervisor.
Very good. Cooperate.
Corporate.
Immediately.
Immediately.
Oh, you got it. You got it. เห็นไหมทำได้เลย You can do it. Oh, very good. I'm happy for you. Immediately ทันทีเลยแบบไม่ช้ารวดเร็ว Quickly.
Okay. Immediately.
Yes.
Immediately.
Very good. Very good. Okay. I share with you the paper. You can keep and you can practice reading the vocabulary. Okay.
Okay.
See you again next week. Goodbye.
Bye. Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Good job.